देखिए, लीडरशिप के लिए पहली बात है, यू हैव टू लीड फ्रॉम विद इन, लीड बाय एग्जाम्पल। तो लीडरशिप यानी टीम वर्क चलाना है। लीडरशिप कहने के बाद हमारे सामने वो चित्र आता है, सामने आ रहा है, भाषण कर रहा है, चुनाव जीत रहा है, लोगों को उपदेश कर रहा है। इससे नहीं होता है। रियल लीडर्स आर दोज हु रिमेन बिहाइंड, they work from within.
Sir, that is sorry to interrupt you. That is why we have you today here. That is why we requested you as the chief guest here.
I don't say myself, I don't see myself as leader, as a worker. But anyway, secondly, leaders' behavior. There are 5 qualities.
जी.
शास्त्रे त्यागी, पात्रे त्यागी, रणे रागी, भागी परिजनैः सह. So he knows all the things and he appreciates qualities. Patre tyagi, gune ragi, appreciate the qualities. He shares, bhagi parijanais, shares with all others. Whatever he gets, kirti, prasiddhi, success, material gains, he shares. Shastre bodha, he knows the science. Rane yodha, if there is strife, he is a warrior. Prabhu panchaguni bhavet. These are the 5 qualities of the leaders. And thirdly, leadership is to lead people to light. Not only material, also spiritual. Leadership is to create leaders. It is not to lead myself only. My leadership should create leaders. These 3 things have to be kept in mind when we take the training of leadership. And I am very glad you are doing an excellent job for last 15 years. So today I learned the expression. Today I learned the expression from you of what I am saying like this.
सर्वस आप करिए साथ में करते क्लॉक इट. सर थैंक यू सर, आपने समय बिताया हमारे साथ. थैंक यू कि आपने ये सारे उत्तर दिए. गाइस बिफोर यू क्लैप, समथिंग आई मस्ट से, एंड यू कैन गेट द हाउस लाइट्स ऑन. सर मैं एक चीज आपके लिए बोलना चाहता हूँ, दैट this conversation earlier was not a conversation. We've sent him the questions. I just gave him the questions right now in front of him. Earlier it was supposed to be a speech. And sir मैं खड़े रह के ये बोलना चाहता हूँ आपके लिए please. Earlier it was a speech that he was going to give. And he was going to give a speech as Sir Sangachalak ji gives great speeches. But I said, sir आज speech के बदले में हम संवाद करते हैं. और संवाद ऐसे विषय पे करते हैं जो युवा को पसंद है और युवा बात करती है. लाइक एजुकेशन, लाइक क्लाइमेट चेंज, लाइक LGBTQ+, लाइक वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, issues which are spoken about by our generation but sometimes don't find space in popular discourse. The fact that we didn't give him the questions and I asked him all of these questions and he took all of them very willingly and with a smile. On behalf of all the Gen Z and Gen Alpha, hopefully आपके माध्यम से ये भी बताना चाहूँगा that perhaps आंदोलन is not the solution to everything. There is an alternate way. It is called संवाद. So संवाद बना रहे and sir आपका आशीर्वाद बना रहे संस्था पे और Gen Z और Gen Alpha पे. On behalf of the organization, may I request Member of Parliament from the Rajya Sabha who's been nominated by the President and the President of the Indian Olympic Association who's just got Commonwealth Games to India. She's won in Glasgow and come back. Dr. P.T. Usha, can I request her to please come up? If the music's played, it's fine. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Please, sir. Thank you. And thank you, sir, for saying what you said. I hope now that Dr. Bhagwat has spoken and he has said that 6% will be given to education very soon, I am sure 6% will be given to education very soon from the Union Budget of India, and we'll focus on schools and colleges per se. But I'm going to hand it over. I'm going to hand it over to the wonderful compares, Cyrus, Nakul, and Riddhi. Can we have you back again? Thank you, sir. Guys, conversation okay?